First problem, find the equation of the line perpendicular to the line 3x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0 and making an intercept of minus 4 on the x-axis. So one line is given, we want to find the equation of the line perpendicular to this one. What is the perpendicular line formula? Bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. By using this formula we can find the perpendicular line. Now to find the value of k, we want to substitute one point in this equation. What is the given point? Making an intercept of minus 4 on the x-axis. So we take that point on x-axis as minus 4 comma 0, and by replacing that point in the line equation, we will get the equation of the required line. So first I take the given line here. Given line is 3x plus 4y plus 6 equal to 0, and next we take the point on the x-axis. What is point on x-axis? Given that x-intercept is equal to minus 4, so point on x-axis is equal to minus 4 comma 0. Now what we want? Equation of the perpendicular line. So what is equation of the perpendicular line formula? Bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. And what are ABC values? A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4. B is equal to 4. 4x minus ay, A is equal to 3 plus k equal to 0. But it passes through minus 4 comma 0. So replacing this point in the above line equation. So but it passes through minus 4 comma 0. So in place of x comma y we take minus 4 comma 0. That is 4 into minus 4 minus 3 into 0 plus k equal to 0, means minus 16 plus k equal to 0. Therefore the value of k is equal to 16. Therefore equation of perpendicular line is, we are substituting this k value in this equation, that is 4x minus 3y plus 16 equal to 0. That's all. This is the answer. Next problem, show that the lines x minus 7y minus 20t is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0 and 7x plus y minus 54 equal to 0 form a right angled isosceles triangle. So here three lines are given. So first I write the given lines. What are the given lines? First line is x minus 7y minus 22 equal to 0. And the second line is 3x plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. And the third line is 7x plus y minus 54 equal to 0. Now we want to show that the lines form a right angled isosceles triangle. For that first I find the angle between the lines. Angle between 1 and 2, angle between 2 and 3, angle between 3 and 1. So first finding angle between the lines 1 and 2. Angle between 1 and 2. What is the formula here? I take the formula cos theta formula. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equals to mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square. What are the values of a1 b1 and a2 b2? a1 b1 are taken from the first line and a2 b2 are taken from the second line. That is a1 is equals to x quotient 1 in the first line. b1 is equal to minus 7, which are taken from the first line. And what are a2 b2? a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equals to 4. Those are taken from the second line. Now replacing the values, this is equals to a1 a2 1 into 3 plus b1 b2 minus 7 into 4 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square 1 plus 49 into a2 square plus b2 square 9 plus 16. Now this is 3 minus 28 by root 50 into root 25, which is equals to minus 25 by root 50 is equals to 5 root 2, 25 into 2, and root 25 is equals to 5. Under modulus this becomes plus, so 25 by 25 into root 2 is equals to 1 by root 2. Therefore cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2, that is cos theta is equal to cos 45 degrees. Therefore the angle theta is equal to 45 degrees. So the first angle is equal to 45 degrees here. Next we find the angle between the lines 2 and 3. Angle between 2 and 3. So cos A is equals to, just I take that this is A. Again we take the formula mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square. What are the values? Here a1, b1, a2, b2 are taken from the second and third lines. What is the second line? 3x plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. And what is the third line? 7x plus 5 minus 54 equal to 0. So here a1, b1 is equal to 3 comma 4. a2 b2 is equals to 7 comma 1. Now replacing the values, a1 a2 that is 3 into 7 plus b1 b2 4 into 1 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square 9 plus 16 into a2 square plus b2 square 49 plus 1, and this is equals to 21 plus 4 by root 25 into root 50. So which is equals to 25 by root 25, that is 5, root 50, that is 5 root 2. Therefore cos A is equals to 25 by 25 into root 2, which is equals to 1 by root 2. So cos A is equals to 1 by root 2. Then again A value is equals to cos 45. Cos A is equals to cos 45. Then A is equals to 45. So one angle is equals to 45, second angle is equals to 45. Now finding the third angle. Angle between 3 and 1. Angle between 3 and 1. Again we take the same formula, cos B is equal to, angle is equals to B. Cos B is equals to mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square. a1 b1 a2 b2 are taken from the 3 and 1 lines. What is third equation? 7x plus y minus 54 equal to 0. And what is first equation? X minus 7y minus 22 equal to 0. So a1 b1 are 7 1, a2 b2 are 1 minus 7. Now replacing the values, a1 a2 7 into 1 plus b1 b2 1 into minus 7 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square 49 plus 1 into a2 square plus b2 square 1 plus 49. Now this is 7 minus 7 by root 50 into root 50. 7 minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore cos B is equal to 0. That is cos B is equals to cos 90 degrees. Therefore B is equal to 90 degrees. So here one angle 90. Therefore first angle theta is equals to 45. Second angle A is equals to 45. Third angle B is equals to 90. One angle 90, right angle triangle. Two angles are equal, isosceles triangle. Therefore given lines form an right angled isosceles triangle. Given lines form an right angled isosceles triangle. That's all. This is the answer.